guys, happy Tuesday. So as the weather starts getting colder, we really start focusing on interior projects. If you have one coming up or you have anything that needs to get done inside your home, now's the time to get a hold of us. We're over here at Townsquare Media where we are redoing the interior of their building and offices. Let's go take a look at the inside. Such a big difference. This is their thinking room. It's a nice color for a lot of ideas. Love the floors. Can't wait to see it when it's done.